fuck, I did that shit.
Shit, we live? We live? We here? Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. It's great. Let me get the lighting right. Boom. We here with it. So, yo, update. The G, we're getting ready for Slammed Enough. And, as you can see, we got the stock wheels back on there. Because, I crashed the car. Let's just say that.
Damn. It's over, guys. It's over.
Fucked up, guys. I fucked up. It's over. I smell the coolant. We got some goodies for y'all. You wanna check it out real quick? I'll check it out real quick. So we got some seasmus, you know, some seasmus, and we got some breambos. Who that? Gang, okay. I just gotta get that front bumper fixed. Fitment issues, this shit is killing me. Stuff. We gotta work on shit, so that's cool. Holy shit.
It's fixable. It's gonna be more than what the wheel's worth.
So it's just best to buy a new wheel.
You will be cheaper buying a new wheel.
Hey man. Appreciate you. Thank you again. Buddy charged me 9 something for all 4 wheels and the Brembos to get powder coated. But yeah, so we headed to Josh's crib. We finna prep the whip. Prep. Let's see if the gas prices are gonna be the same when this video drops. So we have pulled up to the Joshua's residence. Excited. How's it going, man?
Well, you know, I haven't seen this in person yet.
Oh, you haven't seen it in person yet? I know. I ran over it.
That's how it happened. My front ones, if you look at it, it's like that. It's painted.
Yeah.
So it looks fine, but I mean, it happened. But it's the same shit. But look, you see? Like all the chips and all the corners. I'm like, it's still a joke.
It looks good.
I'm about to repair. The only thing I repaired was the crack because it was split. So I just kind of like.
It looks good though.
And then this shit, because the same thing, it broke. So I kind of like added some fiberglass and shit, but look. So I'm like, I ain't fucking.
I feel you.
That shit.
I feel you.
This one got pressed on there. I'm about to bring out the taillights in a bit.
Ooh, those are flex though. Hold on. Hey man, this man Josh went straight flex on us. I gotta pull out the big setup, man. Strap on real quick. Turn on the gimbal. Do a little auto tune. Boom, and we in action. Gotta cut tab, man.
You're gonna use some zip ties. Make sure you get that flush cut, flush fitment. No pokies, no bullshit. Even if it's unseen, I know it, and I don't like it. Decent for now. I gotta glue it down, but I gotta get the wheels on.
Here it is. Directional. For those who don't know the difference between tires, this is directional tire. One way only. This way. This way. This way.
Busted ass my knuckle.
Golly.
One of my favorite pastimes.
Get your knuckles busted.
There's a little update going on. Josh is doing his brake bleeding stuff. And we got some daylight left. We're gonna put all of this stuff together and get that baby right over there. Get that prepped. We'll see how everything goes. Till next time. This is why we always put cars in gear. Just leave it in gear. Bro, that shit looks so hard. Aggressive as fuck. Oh, that shit looks so aggressive.
I'm like, god damn.
Boy, sweating out here, you know what I mean? We in prep mode. We swap cars, as you see. Well, not swap cars, but we swap places. So nice. But time to go prep my car. Get ready for paint.
You gotta take off the plate. You just washed it.
No, fuck, that's what I was supposed to do. So I'm an idiot and I forgot to wash the car.